Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to hide pattern line on your device, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to settings. Now scroll down until you find lock screen and AOD. Now from here, you just need to go to the secure lock settings. Now from here, confirm your identification by entering the current pattern, and then at the very beginning you will find make pattern visible. If you have turned it on, then it will show the pattern on your lock screen. If you draw it, it will show the lock screen on the lock screen. Then you can just enable it, disable it, this option to don't make pattern visible on lock screen. Then it will just hide the patterns on my lock screen just like this. If now I just enter my pattern, then you won't get the you won't it won't get visible on my lock screen just like this. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.